Good day everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take up about area of composite figures formed by triangle, square, rectangle, circle, and semicircle. This is Sir Romel and welcome to another episode of math lessons in grade 6. So before we proceed with the main lesson, let us have a short review. So let us talk about area formula. So number one is square. So what is the formula of area of a square? So area is equals to side times side. So sa right side, makikita nyo yung square. So yung arrow, that is one side. So another one is side. So since square yan, so each side ay pare-pareho ng sukat. So that's why area is equals to side times side, or we can use the formula A is equals to S squared. For example, we have if the side of a square is 6 meter, so area is equals to side times side, or area is equals to, what is side? 6 times 6. So area of a square is equals to 36 square meter. Next one is the rectangle. Okay, so we have this one is the width, and yung nasa baba, that is the length. Okay, so to get the area, we have to multiply length times width. For example, if our width is 5 centimeter and our length is 8 centimeter, so area of the rectangle is equals to length times width. So area is equals to 8 times 5. So area is equals to 40 square meter. So the area of this rectangle is 40 square meter. Square centimeter. That's square centimeter. So the next one is triangle. So this is the third one, triangle. Okay, so we have the height of a triangle, and yung nasa baba na yan, we call that the base. Okay, so in formula, we can use base times height divided by 2, or sometimes yung ginagamit nila dyan ay area is equals to 1/2 b times h. Pareho lang yun. That's the same with base times height divided by 2. So for example, if the height of a triangle is 5 feet and the base is 10 feet, so using the formula A, or area is equals to base times height divided by 2, so area is equals to 10, which is the base, times 5, which is the height, divided by 2. So area is equals to 10 times 5 is 50. Then divided by 2, that is equals to 25 square feet. So that is the area of the triangle. Next one is the circle. So that's number 4. So circle. So we have here the circle. Yung line na from this side to that point sa gitna, we call that the radius, or R. Okay? So the formula to solve for the area of a circle is area is equals to pi. This is what we call pi, then radius, then squared, exponent. Or area is equals to pi times r squared. So, for example, if our radius is 3 meter, okay, 3 meter, using this formula, area is equals to pi times r squared. So, wherein pi is equivalent to 3.14. Okay, that's 3.14. So, area is equals to 3.14, that is our pi, times yung radius natin, which is 3 meter, 3, and then exponent. Okay, so area is equals to 3.14 times 3 squared is equivalent to 9. Okay, because 3 squared means 3 times 3. Okay, that's not 3 times 2, okay? That's 3 times 3. So that is equals to 9. So multiply 3.14 times or 3 and 14 hundredths times 9, that is equivalent to 28 and 26 hundredths square meter. So that is our area. Okay, so this is the area of the circle. Okay, now sometimes ang given dyan ay D, or what do you mean by D? That's diameter. So from this point, the line that passes through the center of the circle, that is the diameter. So let's say that is 6 meter. So what will be the radius? So the radius is 3 meter. Okay, meaning ang radius is half of a diameter. Okay, so that's half of a diameter, which is 3 meter. Okay, so same procedure. So since ang formula kasi natin is R, no, R squared by R squared, so kailangan natin gamitin yung R. Okay, so which is 3 meter. So pagka ang given sa isang problem, ang given ay diameter, all we have to do is divide the diameter by 2, or hatiin nyo lang siya. So half of 6 is 3, and that will give you the radius. Okay, then solve. So you get the same answer because your radius is 3 meter. Okay, but how about half of circle? So that's very easy. So you get the area of the whole circle and then divided that by 2. Okay, divide nyo lang by 2. So you get half of the circle, which is 14.13 square meter. Okay. So let us try to solve this problem. To promote recycling, the Sangguniang Kabataan or SK members of a barangay decided to beautify the 30 feet by 20 feet children's playground by covering the floor of the playpen with cut pieces of tires, except the area of 11 feet square sandbox. What is the area of the portion that will be covered with pieces of tires? So let's try to answer the following questions. What is the shape of the playpen? Okay, so the shape of the playpen, kasi idodrawing nyo yung problem, dapat alam nyo yung itsura ng playpen. So the shape of the playpen is rectangle. Why? Because of the size 30 feet by 20 feet. Okay, so yung 30 feet, that will be the length, and the 20 feet, that will be the width. Okay, so yun yung shape ng playpen, rectangle. 2. What is the shape of the area that will not be covered with pieces of tires? Kasi yung area na yun, tatambakan nila ng pieces of tires. Now, merong isang sandbox doon, may area ng sandbox na hindi nila malalagyan ng tires. So, anong measurement doon? Ang nakalagay dyan ay 11 feet square. So, meaning, yung isang side ng sandbox ay 11 feet. So, since that is a square, so 11 by 11 ang size ng sandbox. So, that is a square. Okay? And for number 3, what is asked in the problem? So, ano hinahanap sa problem natin? Okay. So, yun, the area of the portion that will be covered with pieces of tires. Okay, so try natin i-drawing. Okay, so ito na yung drawing natin. So ito yung length, 30 feet, and this is width, which is 20 feet, and ito yung sandbox natin na ang side ay 11 feet. Okay, so let us try to solve this. So, ang hahanapin natin dito is yung area nitong portion that will be covered with pieces of tires. Itong white part. Okay, itong white. Yan ang hanapin natin yung area. So first, since given naman ang length at width, so isolve muna natin yung area ng rectangle. Okay? So solve muna natin. Then, ang next natin is solve natin yung area nitong square, and then yung area ng rectangle minus yung area ng square, yung sandbox. Okay? Para makuha natin yung sagot. Okay? So, makukuha na natin yung area nitong white part. Okay, so, try natin. So, area is equals to length times width. Ito yung sa ano nga yan, yung playground. No? So, area is equals to 30 feet times 20. So, area is equals to 30 times 20 is 600 square feet. Okay. So, ang area ng ating buong playground, buo yan na, kasama na itong sandbox, that is 600 square feet. Okay? Kaya lang, hindi natin makukuha o malalagyan lahat ng tawag doon, ng tires kasi nga may sandbox. So, solve natin naman yung area ng sandbox. So, area of sandbox, area is equals to S times S. Okay? Or, area is equals to S squared. So, kahit alin, pwede. So, area is equals to 11 feet times 11. Okay? So, area is equals to 11 times 11 is, okay, 121 square feet. So, ito yung total area ng sandbox. Okay? So, next step is, sasubtract natin yung total area ng playground minus yung area ng sandbox. Okay? So, that is 600 minus 121. And the answer is ilan? So, 600 minus 121. So, the answer is 479 square feet. So, ito yung area that will be covered with pieces of tires. Okay? So, sa madaling salita, sinolve natin yung buong rectangle and then minus yung blue part, which is the sandbox. So, nakuha natin tong buong area na to. Okay? Okay, so another example. A swimming pool, 44 meters long and 17 meters wide, has a footpath of 2 meters surrounding it. So, what's the total area of the footpath? Okay, ano ba yung footpath? Ito yung footpath, yung white. Diba? Kung ito yung swimming pool, yung blue part, yan yung swimming pool. Ito yung dinadaanan natin, nilalakaran natin sa paligid ng pool, yan yung footpath. No? So, ito yung size niya. So, yung swimming pool, ang size is 44 meters. Ang length, and ang width is 17 meters. So, ano hinahanap sa problem na to? The total area of the footpath. So, yung white part na to, itong nilalakaran natin. Ano na yung total area niya? Okay, so how are we going to solve that? Okay, so start tayo. Since ang length nito ng pool ay 44 meters, okay, ibig sabihin nito kasi, this is 2 meters, no? 2 meters to. So, meaning ito, 2 meters din to. And then ito, 2 meters. I mean, yung size niya mula dito sa side, papunta doon ay 2 meters, no? This is also 2 meters. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin natin ang total length nitong rectangle na to. Okay? So, yung length nito. And then, yung width. Kung 44 ang length nitong pool, ipa-plus natin yung 2 meter dito sa side para sumagad hanggang dito yung size. No? Kasi yung length is from this point hanggang dito, that is the length. So, kung 44 meters mula dito sa point na to hanggang dito, plus 2 meters, that is 46 dito, no? So, 46. Plus another 2 meters dito sa side. So, meron tayong total of 48 meters. Okay? And then, yung width, kung ito ay 17 meters, mula doon hanggang dito, okay? So, plus 2 meters, ito, yung white part, 2 meters yan, kung sasagad natin hanggang doon. So, plus 2 meters is 19, plus another 2 meters, that is 21. Okay? So, that is 21 meters mula doon hanggang dito, that is 21 meters. Okay? So, area, total area nito, itong buong area, that is length, times width. Okay? So, area is equals to 48. Okay, width. Times 21. So, area is equals to 48 times 21 is equals to 1,008 square meter. Okay, so yun yung total area nito. Kasama na yung pool tsaka yung footpath. Now, ang tanong dyan is, yung footpath lang hahanapin natin yung area. Okay, so kailangan natin tanggalin yung area nitong pool para makuha natin yung area ng footpath. So this time, solve naman natin yung area ng pool. Okay, area of pool. Okay, so that is area is equals to 44, ang length niya, times 17. So area is equals to 44 times 17 is 748 square meters. Okay? So, yan yung area ng pool. So, minus na natin ngayon, no? So, yung total area nito, total area, which is 1,008 minus 748 square meter, which is yung area ng pool, and the answer is 260 square meter. So ito yung total area ng footpath. Okay, yung kulay puti lang. Okay. So, malinaw? Is that clear? Ulitin natin ha. Para makuha natin yung area ng footpath, solve muna natin total area. Kunin yung buong length. So, 48 yan. And then yung width, which is 21. No? Then, solve natin yung area. That is total of 1,008 square meter. And then, yung pool, solve natin yung area ng pool, which is 44 times 17. That is 748 square meter. And then, subtract natin yung total area ng rectangle kasama yung pool minus yung area ng pool. So, minus 748, the answer is 260 square meter. Okay, so another example, find the area of the colored region. So, colored region, itong blue. Okay, kukunin natin yung area. Okay, so first, parang yung kanina sa pool. So first, we have to find the total area of this rectangle and then subtract natin yung area ng triangle. Okay, so yung 16 cm, ito ang ating length. Ang width is 11 cm. So area is equals to 16 times 11. So, yun yung length times width. So, area is equals to 16 times 11 is equals to 116. 76 square centimeter. Okay. Now, area naman ng triangle. Kunin natin. So, yung 5 cm, yan yung height. Okay. And then, yung 4 cm, ito yung ating base. So, area of a triangle is equals to base times height divided by 2. So, base is 4 times 5 divided by 2. So, area is equals to 20 divided by 2 is equals to, yung area natin ng triangle is 10 square centimeter. So, meron na tayong area ng triangle, meron na rin tayong total area ng rectangle. So, ang sabi dyan, kukunin lang natin yung area ng colored region. So, colored region, itong blue lang. So, ma-minus natin yung area ng triangle. So, it will be 76 or 176 I mean minus 10. So, the answer is 166 square centimeter. So, that is the total area of the colored region. So, another example. So, find the area of the figure. So, kukunin natin yung area nito. So, meron tayong rectangle and then ito yung half circle. So, paano natin kukunin yan? Okay, first, kung nakita natin itong rectangle, so kunin muna natin yung area ng rectangle. Okay, and then plus yung area ng half circle. Okay? Sige. So, first, so area ng rectangle muna. So, ano yung length natin? Ito yung length. So, ang length natin is 15 centimeter. Okay, times width. Ang width natin is 11. Okay, times 11. So, 15 times 11 is equals to 165 square centimeter. Okay, this square centimeter. Next is hanapin natin yung area nitong half circle. So, para makuha natin yung area ng circle, di ba, kailangan natin ng radius or diameter. So, paano natin malalaman yung radius or diameter? Okay, so analyze natin. So, ibig sabihin kasi nito, this is 4 cm, may given from this point hanggang dito, that is 4 cm. So, from this point naman, up to this point, that is 5 cm, right? So, kung ang total from this point, okay, from that point up to this one, ay 15. Ayan, yan yun, 15. Okay, 15 cm. So, itong natitirang to, gaano kahaba yan? Okay? Gets nyo? So, gaano kahaba yon? So, ito yung hahanapin natin. Yan ang ating diameter. Okay? So, ito ay 5, ito ay 4. So, add natin. 5 plus 4 is 9. 15 minus 9 is equals to, okay, so 6 to. 6 centimeter. So, 4 plus 6 plus 5, that is equals to 15 centimeter. So, ito yon, 15 centimeter. So, meron na tayong diameter. So, pwede na natin i-solve yung area ng circle. So, area ng circle is equals to pi times r squared. Tama? So, area is equals to Ano nga yun pi ulit? Okay, that is 3.14 times anong radius natin? So since ang formula ay radius, tapos din ang given natin ay diameter, so paano natin makakuha paano natin makakuha ang radius? Okay, divide natin sa 2 kasi 'di ba? Half of diameter is radius. So half of 6, that is 3. So 3 ang radius natin. Kuha? Kung ang diameter ay 6, ang radius ay 3. Okay, that is 3 cm, then exponent squared. So that is 3.14 times, again, 3 times 3 is 9. Is equals to 3.14 times 9 is equals to 28.26 square centimeter. Yun ay area ng buong circle. Kalahati lang to eh. Diba kalahati? So anong gagawin? Okay, so divided by 2. That is equals to, divided by 2 is 14.13. Okay. So ito yung area ng half circle. Okay. Ngayon, nakuha na natin area ng rectangle plus, ngayon, plus natin ito yung area ng rectangle. So, area ng rectangle is 165 plus 14.13, yung half circle, that is equals to 179.13 square centimeter. Okay. So, ito yung total area nitong figure na to. Okay? Malinaw? Okay, let's have another example. Find the area of the figure. So, ito yung figure natin. Kung i-analyze natin, meron tayong rectangle and then meron tayong half circle. So, combine natin yung area ng rectangle tsaka ng half circle. So, you get the total area of the figure. Okay. So, ano ba itong 10 meters? So, that is our length. 5 meter is our width. So, to solve for the area of rectangle, so that is length times width, diba? Is equals to 10 meter times 5 meter. And that is equals to 50 square meter. So, area ng ating rectangle is 50 square meter. So, yung half circle natin, kailangan natin malaman kung ano yung diameter or radius. So, ano kaya ang diameter nito? Okay, so that is 10. Kasi from here, from this point, papunta dito, that is 10 meter. So, pareho lang yun. So, meaning, yun yung diameter ng circle. Okay? So, ano yung radius niya? Half of diameter is radius. So, half of 10 is, okay, 5 meter. So, solve naman natin ngayon yung area ng half circle. So, area is equals to, yung formula, pi times r squared. So, that is ano yung pi? Pi is 3.14 times ang radius natin ay 5 squared. So, 3.14 times 5 squared is, okay, 25. So, 3.14 times 25 is equals to, so area ng circle ay 78.5. So, ito yung area ng buong circle. So, since half lang yan, so divide natin, divided by 2. Okay? So, divided by 2 is equals to 39.25 square meter. Okay. So, ito yung area ng half circle. Ito naman yung area ng rectangle. So, anong gagawin natin para makuha natin yung kabuuan? Of course, we have to add. So, 50 plus 39, 2500 squares. That is 9, 8. Okay. Okay, don't forget the unit, square meter. So, total area niyan ng ating figure is 89 and 2500 square meter. Okay, that is our answer. Okay, so for our last example, find the area of the shaded region. So, alimbang shaded region dyan, so itong blue. Okay, so kunin natin yung area niyan. Kaso, problema, merong white sa gitna na circle. Okay? So, ano una natin gagawin? Siyempre, the same procedure, no? The same technique. Kunin muna natin yung area ng buong square. Kasi square yan, no? And then, kunin natin yung area ng circle and then minus. So, ang given is radius 4 meters. So, from this point that is 4 meter. So, pag diniretso natin hanggang dito yan, that is another 4 meter. Pag diniretso natin, ilan yan? Okay. So, that is 8 meters. So, this is our diameter. Ito yung radius natin. Radius. So, kung from this point to this point ay 8 meters, so mean to say, ang side natin, itong side na to, ang measurement niya ay okay, so 8 meter. So, since square yan, so ito ay also, this is also 8 meter. Okay, solve natin yung square. So, area of square is equals to side times side. Area is equals to 8 times 8. So, that is equals to 64 square meter. So, after getting the total area of the square, kunin naman natin yung area ng circle. So, area of a circle is equals to pi times r squared. So, pi is 3.14 times ang radius niya is 4. Okay? Then squared. So, 3.14 times this is 4 squared is 16, no? 4 times 4 yun. So, 3.14 times 16 is equals to 50 and 2400 square meter. So, ito yung area ng circle. Ito yung area ng square. So, next is subtract natin. So, 64 minus 50.24. So, 64 minus 50.24 is equals to 13.76 square meter. So, this is our final answers. Okay, so that is the area of the shaded region. Okay, so that's it. So that's the end of the lesson. So lahat yan na example. Kung meron kayong medyo nalito kayo dyan, so balikan nyo lang. Okay, panoorin nyo ulit para maintindihan. So until next time, so keep safe sa lahat and goodbye. And see you next time.